Hey everybody, welcome back to Retired Renovators, the YouTube channel that my husband Gary and I created to follow the steps of our renovation of our carriage house and our big brick house in Paducah, Kentucky. So today, this is the episode about installing the porcelain tile. Um, Clearly the hardest part of the project. It nearly did us in, surprised us completely because we have quite a lot of tile experience, but we don't have or didn't have tile experience in installing large format porcelain tile. So that's the 12 inches by 24 inches. So we learned a ton along the way and want to share those highlights with you because shower installs are something that a lot of renovators, home renovators want to do, and we've done them in other houses that we've lived in, and so I thought it would be helpful for you related to that. So let me go through the points as I show you the progress of our shower install. All right, let's get going.
What was the other thing we were going to say? Uh-oh.
Yeah.
Uh-oh.
So when you are putting tile up on the wall, you have to mortar this 1/4 inch trowel mark on the wall. You should butter the back of the tile, so just like you butter a piece of bread, but nice, smooth, thin layer on the tile, and then you push it against the wall. If everyone would just take a moment, if you haven't subscribed, and hit the subscribe button. It helps with the YouTube analytics. It's free, it costs you nothing, and it means a lot to us. So we'd love to have you subscribe and look at the different videos that we've done for the progress of our carriage house and big brick house.